Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's keep solving the riddle on the gold market. So yesterday it was, well, maybe a bit sophisticated discussion, but I just had to say everything that I said to explain what really is going on and why it is a bit tricky, this current situation. So today we're continuing with the new inputs that we have on the daily and intraday charts. It seems that everything still could go with the normal classical scenario when we will first get completion of this bread butter sell with the downward direction, and after that market will complete the bread butter buy on the weekly chart. So currently signs exist for that. Just a few minutes ago we talked about euro currency and that it could get the bearish grabber, and the same story stands on the gold. Here the MACD stands slightly higher than on euro currency, but in general the scenario is the same. So here MACD is coming in touch with the price, and it might be the grabber that could let market complete the bread butter trade on the daily chart. Also the same grabber might be if euro currency maybe has no direct relation to the gold. But if you take a look, for example, on the dollar index, I already also shown this picture, you could see that here might be the same. Maybe not today, but tomorrow it also might be some flirting with the MACD, suggesting rising of the dollar, which also could be some catalysis of the retracement on the gold market. So that's the things that we need to control and keep in mind. With the price performance around 26.35, it also seems that market could show the respect to this area, some downside action, and complete the pattern. So currently I do not see clearer signs that market is moving straight forward to the 27 area. So I think the chances that the deep retracement, appearing of the deep retracement here still exist, and everything still could go on the classical way. So on the 4 time frame chart, this might be the potential target if everything will go as we just discussed and bread butter starts working. 25.67 approximately, 77 even we could say. That will be the target of this pattern. Here's another thing that you need to keep an eye on. Market is coming to the MACD as well, but this has some tactical questions, just because target of this potential pattern, if even it will be formed, which I'm not sure that will happen, but if we will get the grabber here, its target will be just slightly above the stop. So it could mean that here might be some volatility before the downside action starts. This particular grabber will not make any hazard to our strategy, long-term patterns. This might be has some tactical meaning that could indicate that market could try to touch the top once again here, some making a bit flirting around this area before downside action could start. But anyway, you could keep an eye on, especially if you're planning to take the short position here. It's possible downward continuation. Finally, on the hourly chart, you could see what's going on. So our XOP has been completed as we discussed, and take a look what has happened next. It's very interesting performance. First of all, let's take a look. XOP has been done. Market shows minor retracement. Bulls step in and pushing price higher. So everybody's screaming hooray and just moving to the next stop. Everybody happy. But suddenly, you can see the first collapse has happened, returning back them to the XOP area. Bulls absolutely not upset with that, suggesting that this is another chance to step in and start buying once again. But the power here is very low. They are not enough to push price once again above the top. And here's actually they capitulate and another collapse is happening. So these market mechanics that we just have discussed makes me think that just confirms the chances that gold still will show normal performance with the daily pattern, so that we will not get direct action to the 2693 target that we have discussed yesterday, but it still will try to show some deeper retracement based on all the stuff that we see on the euro currency, on the dollar index, on the gold itself. So let's see. But in the current environment, probably if you would like to take the long position with the weekly pattern, maybe it makes sense and see and wait for the possible downward action based with on the daily pattern first, because it could give you much better entry levels and greater upside potential. For taking the short position with the daily bread and butter, it is not forbidden, of course, guys, but decide by yourself whether this is enough to you for possible position taken, because I wouldn't call it as some clear patterns. Yes, we see some weakness in this price performance. It's not the pattern, but there's obviously bulls are losing steam here in this area. But at the same time, it's not a clear pattern, and you will have to decide by yourself whether it will be enough to you to consider taking short position, or you will wait for something more reliable and something more clear, some definite pattern on the top before taking short position here.